You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change your username on X, formerly known as Twitter. First, open the X app on your phone or go to the website on a computer. Tap your profile icon in the top left to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from this menu. Then tap on your account. Next, tap on Account Information. You will be asked to enter your password to verify your identity. After entering your password, look for the section labeled Username. Tap on your current username listed here. You can now delete your old username and type in a new one. The app will check in real time to see if your new username is available. If it's taken, you'll need to try a different variation. Once you find an available username, tap the Save or Done button at the bottom. Your username is now changed immediately. This new handle will appear on your profile and in all your posts. Remember, you can change your username as many times as you want, but your previous usernames may become available. For others to claim, for more simple social media tutorials, subscribe to the channel.